A social system refers to events and dealings of the members of a particular group or groups composed for mutual determination. Usually, in a social system model, there is an interaction and communication among every member in organizing and improving social interactions. Here are the key assumptions regarding the social system model. Social systems are open systems. Social systems are consist of interdependent parts which interact with each other and the environment. Social systems are goal-oriented. Social systems are people. Social systems are political. Social systems have structure. Social systems have cultures. Social systems have norms. Social systems are conceptual and relative. Last, all formal organizations are social systems, but not all social systems are organizational. So let's take a look at the social system model and read each part. After reading each part, I will now define the following key parts of the social system model. First, we have the structure. Roles are expectation of positions that are arranged in a hierarchy. Second, individual. The individual is the key unit in any social system. Regardless of position, people bring with them individual needs, beliefs, and a cognitive understandings of a job. Culture represents the unwritten feeling part of the organizations, its shared values. Politics, informal power relations that develop spontaneously. Core, the teaching learning process is the technical core of the school. Environment, everything outside the organization, etc., educated students and others. So we have that's the output. Feedback, communication that monitors behavior. Last, effectiveness, the congruence between expected and actual outcomes.